Hello everyone, I am Dr. Gayathri, working as Assistant Professor of Chemistry in SNS College of Engineering. Today we are going to see about cyclic voltmetry. Cyclic voltmetry is an electrochemical method in which we can measure the current that develops an electrochemical cell under conditions where the voltage in excess of the predicted by the Nernst equation. Cyclic voltmetry is shortly called as CV. It is performed by cycling the potential of a working electrode and measuring its resulting current. Voltmetry can be used to determine the quantitative information about electrochemical process under various conditions such as presence of intermediates in oxidation reduction reactions, the reversibility of reaction. Use it to determine the electron stoichiometry of a system, the diffusion of coefficient of an affluent, analyte, and the formal reduction potential, which can be used as one identification tool.
Hi everyone, I am Shruti. Now we are going to explain about cyclic voltmetry. Now I am going to explain about the definition. Cyclic voltmetry is an electrochemical method that measures the current in an electrochemical cell under the condition where the excess voltage and it is measured by Nernst equation. CV is performed by cycling the working electrode and measuring the resulting current.
Explain the cyclic voltmetry graph. The graph is plotted between the potential of the electrode and the current that is passed in the electrode. Unlike the linear sweep voltmetry graph, this graph has ramps that goes in the opposite direction. These cycles of ramps are repeated as many times as desired. So this graph has the rate of voltage change in these phases is said to be known as scan rate. The potential that is applied is measured in between two electrodes, that is between the working electrode and the reference electrode, whereas the current that is applied is measured between the working electrode and the counter electrode. The analyte in a solution can be determined by this cyclic voltmetry methods. The cyclic voltmeter can provide data about redox potential and electrochemical potentials. This is the waveform of cyclic voltmeter with respect to time and cathodic potential. This graph varies linearly with respect to time.
Now I am going to explain about the advantages of cyclic voltmetry. It is used to acquire the information of the electrolytics. It offers a rapid location to the electrolytics PCA. It can be used to control the overall reaction sometimes. It is used to measure the variable kinetic energy. Now I am going to explain about the disadvantages of cyclic voltmetry. The effect of slow reaction of heterogeneous and the chemical reaction cannot be separated. If these both are present in a reaction, the only way to obtain the reaction is stimulation method. Using current in the background throughout the experiment, so it is more like 10 power 3 minus m. This increases the current, so when the current decreases, the power of that can be used.
Now we are going to explain about the applications of cyclic voltmetry. Cyclic voltmetry is used to study qualitative information about electrochemical process in various conditions such as presence of intermediate in oxidation reduction reaction and reversibility of the reaction. CV can also be used to determine the electron stoichiometry of a system. The diffusion coefficient of the analyte and reduction and formal reduction potential, which can be used as an identification tool. Current concentration is directly proportional to the current in reversibility.